Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clone the data of any website using a Chrome extension. So here I'm on the Chrome Web Store. Simply go to chromewebstore.google.com or from the settings on your Chrome web browser and search for website cloner. And here you get some featured or the top results here for the extensions. I'll just go with this one, the web content copier. Okay, add to Chrome, then add extension, and now it's added successfully here. So I'll just pin it, okay, to be shown here in next to the address bar. And let's go to any website, let's say for example shopify.com. And if I want to clone this website or copy the data, simply click on the extension icon here and then copy the content. And once you do, everything on the website, including headings, paragraphs, fonts, and so on, will be copied and you can access it.